Hey friends, favorite daughter's filming me. I got flag samples from Carson. They're a manufacturer and they did this flag last year. And there's still a few of these available on Christian bookstore. I'll put, in the description I'll put the link. So I don't know if I can hold this up big enough. Is that reading the right way?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the house flag. And then there's, I haven't even taken this out of the package from last year. The garden flag has house numbers if you want to put your house numbers on it. And there's also a garden flag without the house numbers. And then this should be, I just dropped that. This should be a winter barn. So it's fun. It's fun to get stuff in the mail. See how the art turns out when they print it. And if I get enough samples, I'll give some things away. Of course, I shouldn't say it till I find out what's in the box. Oh, cool. I got a couple. I'm just throwing everything on the ground. So this one is the large flag. So I got a large flag. I got 2 large flags. Oh, and 2 small flags. So I'll definitely give a set away.
That was cute.
So I should probably take one out. Maybe I'll take the small one out. It'll probably be easier to see. So follow me on Facebook. That's where I do my giveaways. Usually at the end of the month. I might do one a little sooner because the end of the month will be Thanksgiving. So maybe in a couple weeks here. Or in a week or so, depending on when this video posts. So I painted that with a palette knife. And then they put the text on. Sometimes I put the text on. They put the text on. There's a teeny little sled. I don't know if you can even see it. And a little cardinal and a snowman. That turned out really cute.
Wait, can you see your name on it?
Oh,
I
yeah.
want to see the name. Cute.
Thanks. Thanks. So anyway, thanks for watching this quick little video. Be sure to follow my Facebook page so you can get notified when the giveaway is. And I hope to connect with all of you guys soon. Bye.